So today I'm at 4 Points by Sheraton Phuket Patong Beach Resort with Executive Chef Bird.
Yeah,
So thank you very much for having me today.
you're welcome, welcome to 4 Points.
Thank you very much. It has been a pleasant stay in your beautiful hotel that you just opened. When did it open?
On the 1st of October.
I believe today we are cooking a southern Thai dish.
Yeah, correct. Today I prepare to teach you about how to cook the local southern food we call Gaeng Som. Gaeng Som in Thailand is mean, and the taste of this dish will be the sour and salted and very spicy, especially
for
for
I see a lot of chili.
Yeah, very spicy today. Shall we start?
Yes. What is
Okay,
the first step?
let's see. Okay, the first step you need to prepare the curry paste first,
Okay.
right? The curry paste, we have the ingredient inside. We have the dry chili, fresh turmeric there, garlic, shallot, shrimp paste, and salt. Okay, shall we start to make the curry paste?
Yes.
Okay, the first of all, you need to prepare the dry chili first. You happy with that?
Yes. I
Okay.
think now we just need rice.
Yeah, correct.
Maybe I may not want to share with you. I have it all for myself.
Okay, sure, of course.
Thank you very much, Chef.
Yeah, you're welcome, ครับ Thank you for coming today.